Right now we're gonna be tested Moen cheap Moen faucet, not cheapest one, $119, but it's close to 100, and see what's going on, how they're working, and what's happened with this cheap Moen faucet. And right now let's see how long it takes to install the faucet. Okay, I will start my timer and ready, go. It's taken me 2 minutes 32 seconds to install the faucet. Right now I will turn on my hydrojet USA, and we will put pressure up to 1000 psi for the faucet. Normally your pressure 75 in the house. We do just crash test. It's nothing else, it's just crash test. Let's see what's happened. Right now we just finished a crash test with 1000 psi, and what we see is where the cartridge is failed, but working is pretty normal, doesn't feel like broken inside. I'm surprised sprayer is good and nothing happened with the sprayer. And when we tested with same way faucet over the $200 Moen, we have a lot of water start coming on the bottom from here. Most of the water coming from here, not from the cartridge. But here, water not going inside the cabinet, they're going from the cartridge. It's like, sounds better because it's more solid inside, and if something happens, it's just the cartridge, not inside, outside the kitchen sink, and it's good sign for me. Right now, we're reviewing two faucets, both Moen, a little bit different type and design and color. First Moen, it's cost $209, I believe, and this one is $119. Let's see which one is different, what's changed, and why it's different. Price different because first one is brushed nickels and second one is a chrome, and it changed different the price. And right now we go for different marks. What is different? This one is take me install 2 minutes 29 seconds, and this one is take me install 2 minutes 33 seconds. It's both for 7 points. Sprayer connection. This one when you use, they doesn't go all the way in sprayer, and I give for this 9 point. It's pretty good, everything working great, just not go all the way in. 9 point. And this sprayer is never going in, you have to put by your hand all the way to the end. And for that reason I put 9 point, because it's a design to go like this. They never design it for go by himself, because I give same points 9 and 9. Supply line. I love this Moen supply line, they're really good. We tested under 1000 psi and they always good, and never problem with the supply line for 1000 psi pressure. This is both 10 points. Cartridges. When we run 1000 psi pressure on this one, you see water running here and water running from inside the faucet, and it's a bad sign. It means something really low quality inside, because water starts running just inside the faucet and over here around. When we did this, water not running inside, but it's a lot of water. It's way more water running over here around the handle. It's a lot of water. It's like weak cartridge and really low cartridge connection over here. And for this one, it's going to be 9 point. For this one, it's going to be 8 point. Because cartridge is really low. You will never have that high pressure for the leaking inside, but you have failed cartridge sooner probably than another one. Pressure 1000 psi, how they hold. Yeah, this one leaking over here, this one is not leaking, but they leaking around the cartridge everywhere. Cartridge doesn't hold in water leaking from the sprayer when we turn it off. And I give 5 points for 1000 psi, but it's not supposed to be 1000. 5 it's a lot, and 4 points, and 4 it's a lot too, because they never designed to hold pressure 1000 psi. And what I don't like on a Moen, for both one, I don't like how you tighten in the knot, one and other one, because they never stay good. It's always loose. This one and this one, they lose. You're not able to tighten in really good for long term, and they stay well. It's 50-50, depends if it's water start running and plywood start destroyed, they start losing, and it's hard to tighten more. I don't like with the Moen this.
how they install it, I super don't like. And also this I don't like, because when you install, you don't know where's the center. And you can install faucet like this and you think it's straight. When you come up and start turning it and they look it on the side, they're not in the center. You have to really good find center, and I don't like that one. And it's both one, whatever points they make, I -5 and -5 points. And total what we have 40 points for the Moen, $209, -5 what I don't like, little things, it's at 35 points. And I'm surprised, I think this is gonna be 50% less points, but not. This one have 38 points, just 2 points less, and -5 points what I don't like. And same, they have 33 points, just 2 points less. It really surprised me. Brand matter, because it's a Moen brand, and they really good quality. They didn't save money for little things. Did pretty good quality. Depends, it's 50% cheap at Faucet. It's still pretty good quality. Next video, if you like it, put your like and subscribe. And next video, it will be Moen for $109 and Glosser Bay for $79. See what's happened.